Today we will make a set of vases from mulberry. A couple of years ago, a large mulberry tree fell near our river, and I got a large supply of this wonderful wood. I washed it from the sand and put it in the garage and basement so that it would dry gradually. A good feature of this wood is that almost no cracks appear on it, and it turns perfectly in both wet and dry form. After I prepared the thick branches, I pre-processed some of them, and today, after they have finally dried, I am going to put them to use. In this blank, I wanted to completely get rid of the bark, so I had to significantly reduce the size of the resulting vessel. Also, during the process, I changed the concept slightly and gave it a conical shape. By removing the bark entirely, I was able to reach the wood with a stunning, shimmering structure. And despite discovering a few cracks that had to be glued, they did not spoil the appearance of the finished vase. We will make the second vessel from a longer branch and leave a bit of the bark. Mulberry wood is very easy to work with, and the resulting surface has a very pleasant tactile texture. The golden shimmer makes it especially beautiful compared to other fruitwood varieties. It also has another very unusual property, which I will show later and which makes mulberry wood particularly interesting to work with. Today I decided not to coat the pieces with oil, but to bring the outer surface to a 4000 grit finish and the inner surface and the base to 180 grit. The matte surfaces provide a pleasant distinction and contrast against the gloss. Therefore, I decided to leave the base at the 180 grit sanding level. Over time, ultraviolet light changes the color of mulberry from golden to chocolate. In about a year, this vessel turned from this to this. Even after turning into a chocolate color, the texture still attracts and shimmers with extraordinary shades. You could say that mulberry, having transformed from a branch into a finished piece, lives several lives, smoothly changing its color from bright yellow to a deep, rich brown.